will help you with the operations with decimals. So to add or subtract decimals, you have to line up your decimal point. You may have to put in zeros for placeholders. To multiply, you multiply like usual, and then you move your decimal in the total sum of the decimal places in the two factors, or the two numbers you're multiplying. And to divide, you move the decimal to the end of the divisor, then you move the decimal the same number of places in the dividend. So looking at some examples. 9 and 87 thousandths plus 15 and 31 hundredths. So my first step is to line up my decimal. After the 1, I'm going to put a 0 to help me line everything up. Now I add straight down. My decimal comes straight down. 9 plus 5 is 14, carries 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So I get 24 and 397 thousandths. To subtract, the same kind of thing happens. I have to line up my decimals, so 39.1 minus 0.794. Put in my zeros to help me line everything up. Now I have to borrow. The 1 becomes a 0, then I get 10, but I have to borrow from that, so that becomes a 9, and the last 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 9 is 0. Borrow from the 9, 10 minus 7 is 3, 8 minus 0 is 8, and 3 minus 7 is 3. So I get 38 and 306 thousandths. For multiplying, 83 hundredths times 7 and 2 tenths. You don't have to line up your decimals now. Multiply the 2 through, so 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 8 is 16. Put a 0 for a placeholder. Multiply the 7 through. 7 times 3 is 21. 8 times 7 is 56, plus the 2 I carried would be 58. Now when I add 6, 7, 9, 5, I need a total of 1, 2, 3 places. So I move my decimal in 1, 2, 3 places from the end. My final answer is 5 and 976 thousandths. For dividing, 90 and 2 tenths divided by 1100. The 90 and 2 tenths goes inside, the 1100ths goes in front. I have to move my decimal to the end of the number I'm dividing by. My decimal moves 2 spots to the right, so the number I'm dividing it into, it also moves 2 spots to the right, and then I bring my decimal straight up. So 11 into 90 goes 8 times. Subtract, bring down the 2. 11 into 22 would go twice. Subtract. 11 into 0 would be 0 times, so I get 820. Same kind of thing, this is another division problem. 496 thousandths divided by 1 and 2 tenths. Move my decimal to the end of the number I'm dividing by, so it moves 1 spot to the right. So the number I'm dividing it into, my decimal also moves 1 spot to the right. 12 does not go into 4. 12 into 49 would go 4 times, give me 48. Subtract, bring down the 6. 12 into 16 would go once. Subtract, I get 4. Add a 0, bring it down. 12 into 40 would be 3 times, that's 36. Subtract, I get another 4, so the 3 is going to repeat. I hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.